Hello everyone, Christmas is almost here, so today we're doing a quick gift tutorial using our laser engraver. We're using 3D dual laser engraver to engrave 0.05mm precision designs on both the inside and outside of an ounce cup. Most laser engravers can't do this, and the whole process takes about 5 minutes. Hidden scale inside, Christmas art outside, a simple upgrade that can boost your product's value by up to 30%. Follow me and I'll show you how to do it. Let me show you the EM-Smart AXI. It uses a special 3-axis system to do real 3D engraving. This helps the machine follow curved surfaces really accurately. And it has both fiber and diode lasers, so you can engrave pretty much any material. Here's what we're working with today. A common bar-style ounce cup made of 304 stainless steel. It holds 86 milliliters with a 53 millimeters opening and a wall that's 17 millimeters thick. Now let's walk through the software steps. Just 6 quick moves. Step 1. Import your design. Click File is greater than Import. Bring in the Christmas SVG. Rotate it 90 degrees and resize it to 40 millimeters. Step 2. Bring in your 3D cup model. Scan the cup. Import it. And rotate it 90 degrees on the y-axis so it matches the engraving direction. Step 3. Attach the design to the cup. Click Model Move. Drop the cup below the Z-plane. That's our main focus point. Center it under the design. Choose Fill in Mark Parameters. Then open 3D parameter and select ounce cup. The software will automatically stretch the design to fit the cup. Use the live preview to check how it wraps. Looks awesome from every angle. Step 4. Set your engraving settings. Use 48 kilohertz, full power, 2000 millimeters per second, a fill pitch of 0.08 millimeters, and turn on average distribution. Step 5. Preview the result. Click Show 3D, then click Preview to confirm the path. Step 6. Start engraving. If the preview looks good, click Make Sample, and then click Exec, and watch it go. The engraving is now running. The fiber head is moving at 15,000 millimeters per second. You can see the hissing from the metal vaporizing and the pale blue sparks. These means the laser is forming an oxide layer on the stainless steel. The pattern edges are extremely sharp, with serrations under 0.01 millimeters. You can actually feel the ridges when you run your fingernail across them. It is 0.25 millimeters engraving depth, and when you tilt it about 45 degrees under strong light, you'll see a smooth, even matte finish. Works really well. Now let's work on the inside of the cup. This part is tricky. The laser has to shoot through a 45-degree opening, and most setups distort the beam at that angle. The curved inner wall also needs constant focus to stay sharp. AXI solves these issues differently. Just follow the same steps we used for the outer wall engraving, but there's 2 key things to remember. Swap out the engraving pattern with your new design, and make sure to load the correct object model for the item you're actually engraving. To recap, we covered 3 things today: how the 3D system works, how the special fixture helps, and how to use the AXI software. Hope this gives you a clearer idea of how to use the AXI in your own projects. And as a bonus, all the parameter presets and design files we used today are available. Just send us a message and we'll share them with you. I would say this 3D engraver can really change the way you make products. Even a simple ounce cup can become part of your brand story. If you have questions or want to show your work, drop it in the comments. And if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.